What if I told you that one single AI tool could replace Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, even Teams completely? Would you ditch Microsoft Office forever? Or is this just another wave of hype in the tech world? Welcome back to the NextGen Business Podcast, where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence, productivity, and the future of work. Today, we're tackling a bold question. Can AI actually replace Microsoft Office? Now, Microsoft Office has dominated the business world for over 30 years. It's in schools, universities, government offices, Fortune 500 companies, you name it. But with the rise of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, and dozens of new AI productivity tools, many are asking, is the Microsoft era coming to an end? Before we dive into AI, let's set the stage. Microsoft Office isn't just software, it's a global standard. Word for writing, Excel for data, PowerPoint for presentations, Outlook for communication, and Teams for collaboration. Entire industries run on Office. Accountants live in Excel. Students write their theses in Word. Executives pitch million-dollar deals with PowerPoint. So if AI is going to replace this giant, it has to do more than just automate small tasks. It has to outperform at scale. Let's start with Word. For decades, Microsoft Word has been the go-to for reports, essays, contracts, and proposals. But here's the truth. Most people don't love Word. They tolerate it. Now comes AI. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can draft documents in seconds. Need a legal contract? AI can generate the first draft instantly. Need a blog post? AI will produce 1,000 words faster than you can open Word. And editing? Instead of searching for synonyms or using Grammarly, AI tools can rewrite, restructure, and even change the tone of your writing with a single command. For most casual users, Word is already becoming optional. All you need is an AI chatbot and maybe Google Docs for formatting. But what about Excel? This is where things get interesting. Excel is powerful. It's not just rows and columns. It's about financial models, pivot tables, VBA macros, and complex dashboards. Can AI handle this? Yes and no. Today, AI can already analyze raw data, spot patterns, generate formulas, and create charts instantly. Instead of memorizing VLOOKUP or index match, you can just ask, compare sales by region and forecast next quarter. And AI will do it. But here's the catch. Advanced financial modeling, regulatory compliance, and custom automations still require human Excel mastery. So for beginners, AI can replace Excel. For professionals, Excel still reigns supreme. Now PowerPoint. Love it or hate it, PowerPoint has been the stage for ideas for decades. But AI presentation tools like Beautiful Day AI, Gamma, and Tome are changing the game. You can type, create a 10-slide pitch deck about launching a new AI app. And within minutes, you have a polished deck, complete with visuals, layouts, and talking points. For most students, marketers, and startups, that's more than enough. But for high-stakes board meetings or investor pitches, human creativity and design polish still matter. So, can AI replace PowerPoint? For everyday work, yes. For critical moments, probably not yet. Let's talk about communication. Outlook is still the corporate email hub. Teams is Microsoft's answer to Zoom and Slack. But AI is eroding their relevance. Email drafting? AI can reply in your tone instantly. Meeting notes? Otter.ai and Fireflies transcribe, summarize, and highlight action items automatically. Instead of wasting time in a 2-hour call, you can read a 1-page AI summary in 5 minutes. This is a direct threat to Teams and Outlook, because AI isn't just faster, it's smarter. Now let's consider the business side. Microsoft Office makes billions every year through subscriptions. But AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Copilot are either cheaper or, in some cases, free. Why would a student pay $99 for Office when a $20 AI subscription can handle 80% of their tasks? This shift isn't just about technology, it's about economics. If AI tools are cheaper, smarter, and faster, Office will have to evolve, or risk losing relevance. But let's not get carried away. AI isn't perfect. It hallucinates data. It makes formatting mistakes. And sometimes, it simply guesses. In fields like law, finance, or healthcare, one mistake can cost millions, or worse, lives. That's why Microsoft Office isn't going away overnight. So what's the future? Microsoft knows the risk, and they're fighting back. Their strategy? Integration. They're embedding Copilot and AI Assistant directly into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. In other words, Microsoft doesn't want you to choose between AI and Office. They want you to have both. This could be brilliant or desperate. Time will tell. So, can AI replace Microsoft Office completely? Not today. But for everyday tasks like writing, summarizing, making slides, and managing emails, yes, AI already outperforms. For advanced professional work, complex modeling, enterprise reporting, or legal formatting, Microsoft Office still holds the crown. The real future isn't AI versus Office. It's AI inside Office. Now let me turn the question to you. Would you trust AI to run your entire workflow without Microsoft Office? Or do you believe Office will stay irreplaceable for years to come? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more insights on how AI is reshaping business. See you in the next episode.